these things?
I don't think so.
Oh, no, it wasn't lighting.
Give it to me. How dare you?
What the heck?
I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Why am I always on fire?
Because you spawn on the lava block.
How dare.
Wait, so can we both not go to the nether, or what?
I have no idea.
Oh dear, there's a drop off right there.
Yep. Do we have sugarcane?
Yep. I forgot that I'm a shorty.
How to get leather. Oh my gosh, your hat is clipping through your armor.
Let's see. We can. Wait. Oh my gosh.
It looks like you have a blue mohawk.
We could put. I could put.
Oh, you know that reminds me of.
Put.
You know Captain Marvel?
Oh my god.
You know how she has the helmet and then her hair sticks out the top to make her look like a mohawk?
Yeah.
That's like with you, but you have blue hair. I need leather. I don't have
the grass.
Yes, we do.
Let's make it grassy over here.
You would have to do individual grass blocks over there to make it grassy because the grass has to spread. So you need to place dirt blocks in a line all the way there. Ah, leather.
Oh, we have leather?
No, you can buy it.
Oh.
I just need one though.
And I was thinking I was going to start spawning cows or something.
I don't know if you can.
You can buy a spawner.
Oh. Forgot about that.
Ain't that just crazy? Let's see, let's see, magma cube, zombie spawner, gas spawner, iron golem spawner, enderman spawner, blaze spawner, spider, creeper, chicken, pig, cat, sheep, zombie, skeleton. It doesn't have all the animals.
I don't think we need all the animals, do we?
No. I like a parrot.
You get chickens.
I do like chickens.
Beep beep. I'm a sheep. Wait, I can't make a book?
You can't? Maybe
That's lame. Why does it sell us leather then? What's the point?
Make a leather outfit? Yeah, you can buy books. What's the fun in that?
Okay, what can I make though?
Here we go.
Yeah, I can't. me try. Great, everything has to do with buying and selling stuff.
Lame. Maybe we should play a different game. Oh, there's a creeper right outside my house. Got him.
How do I sell stuff?
You click on the book, and then you go to open shop, then you go to bulk selling. There you go. Then you're supposed to click exit. Try clicking exit. What the heck? It works for me. Maybe I'm the one who has to sell it?
We're gonna go through our things and see what we need, and we're gonna have a chest specifically for selling stuff.
Okay, cool. I'm down. I don't know why they let us have beds if we can't sleep in them.
We can't? Maybe we both gotta sleep in them.
Well.
Or do you mean you played by yourself and you clicked on it and no one let you sleep in it?
Yeah, that.
I wonder.
Is that right, Nate?
He's so cute though.
Good boy. Think about feeding him.
You weird. No.
What are you making, girl?
Automatic furnace.
An automatic furnace.
Yep, you put what you need to cook up in the top chest,
Mm-hmm.
and then all you have to do is put coal in the furnaces, and then it will cook it for you. So if you have more than one thing that could cook, but you have like too many items of,
Mm-hmm.
then it'll cook it for you.
Little Pokecita is smart.
I
Why
don't-
did that happen?
Well, this is. I know there's another way you could also do like, putting coal in there automatically by just putting coal on a chest and it'll put it in the furnaces for you. But I don't know exactly how to do that. You know what I mean?
Look at the second story I made for you.
Just a minute. Nothing like windows into the abyss.
Yeah.
So cute.
Thank you.
This room is not equally, but that's okay.
Outro.
Outro.
What do you usually say for an outro?
An outro.
Well, thanks for watching. This is Josie Bunny Girl and Queen Turkey Girl. Don't forget to subscribe.
What are we playing?
Oh.
Skyblock.
Yeah, we're playing Skyblock.
Another episode of Skyblock. And one more thing I got to say, and that is beep beep, I am a sheep. Beep beep beep, I'm a sheep. So, yep. Goodbye. Kiss. No kiss. No kiss. No kiss. No. No kiss. Beep. Sheep.
Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beep beep like a sheep?